Look at all that dust in there. It's dirty, needs clean. 3 screws. There's one right up in the front here. Just be careful you don't scratch anything up. Yeah, we're stuck on something in the back right now. Just gonna spray it out on the inside. Cleaning kit is from Cold Air Inductions themselves. Just be thorough as you do this. Every crack and crevice. Air filter is now dry. Now we are going to apply the oil to it. I'm gonna let it sit here and let it run. I'll keep an eye on it and I'll apply more oil as needed before I reinstall.